Hello po! Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ngayon ay October 18, 2022, Tuesday. Sana po hindi po masyado maingay. Ako po ay nasa isang remote location sa Bulacan. 68 days na lang, Pasko na. Mabuhay po kayong lahat. Welcome po sa The Stock Market Today. Ang ating featured news ay tungkol sa SCC dividends. Bago ang lahat, ako po si Benji Chidoro, isang retired bank officer na nag-start mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007. Araw-araw ko po minabalita ang pinaka-latest news tungkol sa inyong paborito at pinaka-aktibong stocks sa Philippine market. Kung gusto niyo po ng content, niimbitahan ko po kayo mag-subscribe sa aking channel. Kung meron po kayong stocks na gustong ipa-review, paki-comment lang po sa comment box at aking prioritize. Hindi po ako financial advisor. Ang mga sinasabi ko po dito ay hindi po financial advice. Get well soon, Mari. Again, we're praying for your quick recovery. May awang Diyos. Huwag kayong alis dahil babahagi ko sa inyo ang ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE ngayong araw, October 18, 2022, dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. Okay, ang ating news ay galing po sa BDO Securities at dito po siya sa, ito po yung ating headlines. OFW remittances up 4.3% year-on-year in August. Bureau of Treasury fails to borrow on rising rates. SEC Semirara declares record high special cash dividends. Ito po ang ating main news. Then MWIDE to triple precast plant capacity. Metro Pacific investments on track to hit 2022 core net income target. And TEL weighing $300 million power sale. Okay. So yan po ang ating main news. But before we get to that, there are additional news here which I saw in Philstar. OFW remittances up 4% in August. And meron pang isa dito, force majeure granted to PXP exploration contract. So kung meron po tayong time, tingnan po natin ang PXP, no? Mamaya. Tapos si TEL din, tingnan natin, at si SCC. Okay. So dito po tayo sa ating main news at galing po ito sa I'll be reading the summary from BDO Securities. SEC declares record high special cash dividends. SEC disclosed that its board of directors has approved special cash dividends totaling a record 14.88 billion pesos or equivalent to 3.5 or 3 pesos 50 centavos per share, which is 2 times up from the 1 peso 75 centavos special dividends declared in October 2021. The ex-dividend date for the special dividends will be October 26, while payment date is on November 15. So the commentary says this brings SEC's total full year 2022 dividend payout to 5 pesos per share, which translates to a dividend yield of 12% based on its 41.50 closing price yesterday. We have a neutral rating on SCC. However, following the stock's 94% year-to-date rally. Okay, yan po ang ating special news. So we'll take a look at SCC later. Now, let's go to your comments. We have here Fernando Dumok. Sir Ben, the big jump of DMC is driven by the anticipated cash dividend announcement following SEC's announcement yesterday. Ang sarap ng special cash divs ni SEC, 350 brings the yield of 8.4%. Okay, tama po yan, ano? At congratulations po sa holders ng dividends ng stocks ng SEC. And I guess DMC also nahatak siya, no? So, mamaya tingnan po natin si DMC, SCC, MWIDE siguro tingnan din natin, Metro Pacific, and TEL. Okay, next we have, I think I saw another one here. Irving Lagman, what stocks do you recommend to buy now? The prices are at the bottom. Actually, several days ko na pong pinabalita, no? Ali, Ayala Corporation, mabababa po yan, no? SM, no? SMPH, mababa po yan. And they're really good buys, no? Actually, wala po akong hawak ngayon. Nasa remote location po kasi ako. Pero, this is usually po mga index stocks po yan, no? Yan, TEL, yan, magaganda po yan. Ali, yan. Yun po yung magagandang bilhin. Ngayon na depressed yung market. Okay, so let's check the index on what happened today. Okay po, lumipat uli po tayo ng pwesto at sana po ay mas tahimik. Okay, we have other comments here, no? Sabi po ni Raquel Robrigado, Sir, sa Call Financial Tutorial, may mga buy rating mga stocks na pagpipilian. Anong ibig pong sabihin ng buy rating? Thank you po so much. Ang ibig pong sabihin ng buy rating, actually, ang BDO Securities, meron din po yan. Di ba yung sinasabi ko, may buy rating itong si stock na ito, si Ayala ay buy rating, si SMPH ay neutral, di ba? Neither buy nor sell, or yung iba merong hold, ano? Ibig sabihin po nun, ina-analyze po nila yung mga stocks at tinitingnan po nila yung financial statements. At nagko-conclude po ang mga analyst na, uy, maganda tong stock na ito dahil maganda ang management, maganda po ang financial statements, kumikita, merong sales, meron pong tumatangkilik sa kumpanyang ito. Kaya po, meron po siyang buy rating at nagkakaroon po yan ng buy rating kung ang value ng stock ay mas mataas kesa dun sa presyo niya ngayon. Ang tawag po dyan kung ang presyo po ngayon ay mas mababa doon sa projected price niya, ang tawag po doon ay undervalued yung stock. Yun po ang ibig sabihin nun. At usually, nakakaroon po ng buy rating yan. And hindi lamang po yun, no? But yung factors, ibang factors na sinabi ko, good management, meron tumatangkilik, good research and development, favorable yung kanyang cash flows o yung kita, kumikita naman po. Yun po nagkakaroon po ng buy rating. Of course, mga analyst po ang gumagawa niyan, no? So for instance, ito, no, yung BDO Securities, makikita niyo po yung buy rating niya dito kung magsusubscribe po kasi sa kanya. Ayan, no, rating. Aboitiz is neutral. Aboitiz Power Corporation is buy. Neutral, buy, not rated, buy, neutral. Yun po, ang ibig sabihin ng rating na yan. So, halimbawa po, si Ayala Corporation, tingnan natin, meron po siyang buy rating. Ang presyo po niya yesterday was 610, pero ang tunay na presyo niya is 1,060. Yan po yung target price na sinasabi nila or yung upside na 73.8%. So, bawat stock brokerage po, meron po yung research at ganun po ang ginagawa ng research. Ina-analyze niya yung financial statements at tinitingnan po niya kung yung stock na yan ay maganda o hindi. O nilalagyan niya ng neutral kung medyo may problema sa kanyang, hindi naman actually not a problem in management, but a problem in the business itself. Diba? Yun po, headwinds ang tawag doon. Pero hindi po ibig sabihin ng neutral ay masama yung stock na yan, hindi ko po yung bibilin. Hindi po ganun yun. Basta yung mga nire-review po nila dito ay magagandang stock, nagkakaroon lang po ng problema sa business environment. Nakukuha niyo po yun? Yan, inflation is a business environment. everybody lives with it. Yan po. Next, si NGA Junior. Madalas po ako nakikinig, napansin ko lang yung malakas na background noise. Totoo po yan. Kasi minsan po, ako po yung nasa isang lugar na malakas yung background noise. But I try to minimize it as much as I can. No? But kung minsan po, hindi po maiwasan. Sorry po for that. Pero hindi po madalas yun. Hindi po madalas, once or twice lang po. And then I move on to another place, to a much quieter place. Kung mapapansin nyo po, yung first part ko ay maingay. Yung second part po ay tahimik. Kung tinutuloy po ninyo, no? Sana po ituloy po ninyo. Huwag po kayong magagalit po sa akin. Kasi po, it's a choice between not making today's video or I make it pero may konting background noise o malakas ang background noise, hindi ko po maiwasan ko minsan. Yun lamang po. It's a service that I give, and to ensure that I give the daily report to you in spite of that background noise. So pagtsagaan nyo na lang po, pero as much as possible, iniiwasan ko po. And at the beginning of the video, I say na sorry po for the background noise. I hope you bear with me. Okay po? Maraming pong salamat, NGA Junior, sa patuloy niyong pagtangkilik. Okay, so let's now go to the index. Wow, nag-increase po siya, ha? 158.31 points. And it is 2.65% up. It is the highest since October 4. Yan po, no? And sana po magtuloy-tuloy po siya. Let's put up our indicators. Yan! So in the short term ay umakyat na po siya, no? And there may be a change in trend in the short term. Ngayon po sa market activity, 73 companies ang bumaba, 109 ang umabante at 52 ang hindi nagbago. Ang all share index umakyat din ng 1.72%. Lahat ng sectoral indices ay up. Pinangunahan po ito ng properties at 4.20%. So, tingnan po natin ang mga stocks na nag-figure most active. Actually, tingnan po natin yung nasa news, ano? Pero, nasa most active na rin sila, no? That will be SEC, DMC, ulitin natin. SEC, DMC, MWIDE, tapos tingnan po natin si Metro Pacific at si Ayala Corporation. Lahat po yan magagandang kumpanya. And dun sa nagtanong kanina, ano po yung what do you recommend to buy now? Actually, practically, almost all the index stocks are at the bottom. Kasi kung titingnan nyo lang po yung index, kung bumili lang po kayo dito noong September 30, naku, naka-jackpot kayo dyan kasi napakababa ng index. And as you know, the Philippine index is composed of 30 companies. Yan. Na karamihan po dyan ay nagiging most active. Ali, SMPH, SM, SCC, BDO, AC, DMC, Globe, BPI, ICT, GTCAP, URC. Yan, lahat po yan, karamihan or most of them are index stocks. Lahat ito, index stocks yan. At mabababa po yan. At yung kombinasyon or yung composite prices dyan ay nagko-comprise nitong Philippine Stock Exchange Index. Yan po ang general overview po natin. Kaya ko po inuuna ang index. So, anin po, simulan na po natin at maraming po salamat sa inyong tanong. Ano? SCC, wow, it continues to move up pero red candlestick po ngayon siya. No? At bullish ang kanyang dating, although red candlestick ngayon at magandang bumili ha kasi malaki po yung dividends ni SCC. Tingnan natin kung may disclosure dito. Silipin lang po natin, no? Press release, declaration, ito. Declaration of cash dividends. Pero hindi niyo po nakikita, no? Please be advised that the Board of Directors of SCC approved the declaration of special cash dividends of 350 per outstanding share. The cash dividend will be sourced from unappropriated retained earnings. Ex-date is, tingnan natin, October 26. And payment date is November 15. So yan po, no? Meron po siyang cash dividend pero magandang pong bumili because mababa pa rin po. Relatively, it has been stable in the last call this, range between 38 and 41 eh. Nasa 41.55 po ngayon, ano? And bullish po si SCC, ha? Ito po, meron po siyang dividends of 350. Meron po siyang dividends dito at 150. So, 350 plus 150, kailan to? April 28, and then this one is November. Okay, 350 plus 150 equals 5. Diba? So, kung kukumputin po natin ang dividend yield based on this price, 5 divided by 41.55, that's 12. 12% times 0.9 or 10.8. 10.83, not bad, ha? Not bad. Napakagandang return po yun for the year, ha? For SCC. Okay. So, yan po, no? Ang support ay nasa EMA 100 at 38.46, while the resistance nandito po sa area to nasa 43.30 or whereabouts. Support and resistance are areas and they are not exact points. Next, we have DMC. So, DMC naman ay, naku, nag-profit taking si DMC. Kasabay po ni SCC, pero pataas pa rin po siya, ha? Pataas pa rin po si DMC. Now, if we will draw a parallel channel para makuha lang natin ang support and resistance, it will follow the black line or more or less, ano? Yan ang DMC rather. Ito po yung mother company ni Semirara. Yan siya. More or less, yan po yung kanyang movement, and ang resistance nasa 1080 while the support follows the black line nasa 976. So EMA 100 is at 960. So malapit po doon ang resistance, ang support rather. Meron po siyang cash dividends and nagbigay siya ng 72 centavos. Payment date is November 6, pero nag-profit taking, but the trend is upward. Okay, next we have MWIDE. Si MWIDE is, pababa si MWIDE, pero may magagandang project siya, na? Kasi yung news earlier ni MWIDE was to triple precast plant capacity. So, yung plant capacity niya, I think this is metal, eh, di ba? Metal or cement? I'm not very sure. Precast plant in Taytay. Targeted precast plant capacity. I think this is metal or steel. To recall, precast plant or cemento. Maaring cemento. Over 35,000 cubic meters precast annually demand requirements existing project. MWIDE noted that the new precast plant will ensure. Okay, such as ongoing. So, ano ito? Mga structural, yung mga structure na nakikita po natin, doon po sa mga pangalan ng structure na yan, eh. Pero yan po yung nilalatag nila pagka expressway, yung mga precast na semento. Okay, I think yun po yun. So, yung support and resistance, support is here, pero sideways lang po ang movement niya, no? Nandito po sa 353, and the resistance, it's somewhere here at yan, 431, no? More or less, dyan po si MWIDE, and then, yes, DMC and MWIDE, sorry, and then MPI, si MPI, naku, nag-breakout si MPI. If you were able to buy here, kasi support nandito po, eh. Ganda, breakout siya, oh. At 21 centavos or 6.02%. Ngayon, kung i-measure po natin yan, and assuming you were able to buy at this point here, example lang, ha. Yan po. So, from September 29 to October 18, kumita po kayo ng 11.30% or 37 centavos. Biro mo yun? 37. Pagpalagay na natin 35, no? Including commissions, 35 times, you have, say, 10,000 shares. Bumili po kayo. Buy and sell lang. 3,500 din yun. Hindi nyo po kikitain yan. Over 100,000 shares. Halimbawa, buli kayo ng 100,000 shares. 100,000 shares times 0.35 yung kita. 35,000. Walang kahirap-hirap. Okay. Of course, ang sinasabi ko po dito, ito po ay hindsight, no? Of course, perfect ambition natin ng hindsight. At sinasabi ko lang po, pagka bumaba po yung isang index stock, aakyat uli yan. Anyway, so take note, ano, meron pong oversold dito at minsan lang po mag-oversell ang Metro Pacific eh. And when you see the oversell signal, then chances are aakyat po yan. Okay? Aakyat po si Metro Pacific. And this is what happened. Okay. So, support is, nasabi ko na po, no? And resistance, near resistance na po ito. Actually, the previous resistance na naging support, nandito po sa 356. And the next higher resistance, nandito po sa 378. Okay. And then TEL is itong isang magandang stock. Okay? Na mababa. 1479. Pero, tingnan nyo, nag-oversell siya dito eh. Oversold siya dito. Oversold nga siya. 29.84 oh. Oversold po ito. Yan dito. And yung TEL, minsan-minsan lang po mag-oversell yan. Ha? And when you see that oversell sign on TEL, then that's the time to buy. So, support is here. Tapos makikita kayo ng green candlestick. Naku, pwede kayong bumili dyan. Of course, tandaan, meron po tayong risk pagdating sa stock. So, have your stop loss ready. No? Risky po ang stock activity. No? Have your stop loss ready. So, kung bumaba a certain percentage, then the idea will not prosper. Diba? Yun po ang aking comment dyan. Pero, chances are, aakyat po ulit yan. Okay, next we have Ayala Corporation, our final stock. Lahat po ng nire-review ko po ngayon ay may potential upside. Umakyat si Ayala. 649. Actually, this is already very cheap eh. Cheap pa rin po ito, no? Cheap pa rin po siya. So, support. Again, Ayala Corporation, pagka nakakita po kayo ng oversold sign, dito po. Minsan-minsan lang po kasi mag-oversell yan eh. So, pag oversold po siya, then it's the time to buy. Okay? Dito rin po eh. Oversell din po siya. 28.94. This one here. Dalawang oversell niya. So, ngayon, nagmo-move up na siya. Yan o. So, pag nakita ko yan ng oversell, may possibility at malaki ang possibility po na kumita po kayo. Okay? So, support is here at 602. And then the resistance, actually, ang resistance po niya, pinakamalapit po nandito sa 556.60. Okay, yan po ang ating report sa stock market. Ika-18 ng Oktubre 2022. Ito po si Benji Chidoro nagpapaalala, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Huwag kayong magsasawang makinig at mag-view po sa ating stock market report. At sa lahat po ng mga subscribers at nagtatanong, marami pong salamat sa inyo. Ito po si Benji Chidoro nagpapaalala, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik at hanggang sa muli. Stay safe, God bless, and bye for now.